Welcome back to another episode of No Time to Be Hungry. Today we are at Ban Maon's house here, and she's going to show us how to prepare something special. If there's one thing that, well, a couple things that Thailand has a lot of, that's Thai chili peppers and mangoes. So today we're going to make something called mak muan pan. Mak muan pan. Now this thing is like a fruit roll-up. If you've ever had in America we have fruit roll-ups, but this is about a 2-day process. So about 2 days to complete this, and we're going to show you step by step. I think there's mangoes everywhere in the world. Maybe, I don't know. But anyway, let's see how it's prepared. Well, of course, our first step is to peel the mango. You got to make sure this mango is extremely ripe. And you can tell when a mango is ripe because it's soft. Really, it's yellow because this is soft too. Nim, soft. But you got to wait till it's nice and pretty yellow. Some mangoes I know are red. But I think the red ones have a bigger seed, but you can do this with the red ones also. She's not gonna tell me how to peel it. This is how we do it, and I need a smaller knife though, look. I'm gonna do this like I'm a professional. In Florida, we have a lot of mango. So I grew up with a lot of mangoes. But there are a tremendous amount of mangoes here in Thailand. So what I do is I just do that and then I peel it. Inside here. So I'm sure she didn't know this technique, so maybe I impressed her, maybe not. But this is how I do it. And also this is how I peel an orange too. It's a Floridian style.
Yeah, to get the meat.
Oh, the meat, okay.
Not your finger.
Not my finger?
นิ้วไม่เอา เลือดก็ไม่เอา ปัดกำลัง
Madeleine's going to show us how to do it Thai style. I bet she's not as messy as me.
ชี้
See, maybe we can. Bowl full of awesome mangoes. Now we need a blender. Okay, now we have to heat it up on a Thai style barbecue pit. No, just kidding. We do have to heat it up though and then stir it. I don't know why everything's got to be like on your knees. So, never mind. I have a little small chair. That smells good. Okay, we already have some that's already cooked, already been boiled and in the pot. So now we're going to show you the technique of how to make the fruit roll-ups. Mak muang pan. Mak muang pan. Maybe she can show us first how to do it instead of, okay, just put it in there.
No.
Oh, that's it? Sell out?
Yeah.
I thought we were going to make little round ones or something.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Complicated. Like a pizza.
Okay, that's just like a pizza. I can do that. Like pizza.
Good.
All right.
No, just make it even.
All the way to the edge?
Yeah. So it's dry even.
Maybe more, huh? How eat, Mike? Okay, now we have to, I guess, take it over to another house. Now, actually, it needs to be set out in the sun away from small, hungry children. So how long, กี่ชั่วโมงที่นี่
ที่นี่จนแดดหมด
That more, okay, all day has to stay out in the sun. So we got a good one eat that tea.
แดดดี
Yesterday was cloudy, but today very sunny.
แดดพรุ่งนี้เขาตัด
So what about mort? Mort กินไหม Mort แมลง ไม่มี Okay, so she says there's no bugs gonna eat that. But I think in Isan, if a bug gets in there, it's probably okay. Huh?
Okay, it's too hot. The bug probably not coming.
Oh, it's too hot for the bugs. Thai people don't like to come out in the sun either. Maybe only people I think that like to do that are foreigners. Okay, 2 days later, actually, I've been wearing this shirt for 2 days. No, she's already got it prepared. Thankfully, she's a chef. So she's already made some a couple of days ago, and this is what it looks like. And now we are going to cut it up and roll it into a fruit roll-up. Let's get it off of the paper.
เปียกอยู่นะแต่ก็มาพันเลยนะ
ใหญ่
ใหญ่สักกี่เลย ชิม
Okay, here it is. Thai style fruit roll-up. Mak muan pan. Mak muan pan.
อร่อยไหม
อร่อยมาก
No sugar.
อร่อย Very sweet. Nothing in this but mango, and that's it. Very good snack.
โชว์
Mak muan pan. อร่อยมาก So this one's fresh, so it's obviously going to be a little bit softer than the ones that you could buy at the store. But if they last a couple of days longer, you can leave those back out in the sun and they'll be nice and firm. But this is fresh. You can tell by the little black ants. And nothing artificial in that great little snack. Sometimes when you buy the ones at the store, there's a little bit of sugar added to it. But if you find the mango to be really, really ripe, just like any fruit, it's going to be very sweet. Also, if you have a lot left over, you can just add a little bit of ice to the blender and the mix and make an awesome smoothie.
Put some rum in it.
Or as my wife just said, put some rum in there.
margarita.
Mango what?
Margarita.
Mango margarita. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's episode of No Time to Be Hungry. I hope you try this tasty snack. Very easy to make, nothing artificial in here. No added sugars that you might be able to find in some of the other stuff. But yeah, just make sure the mango's nice and ripe. Very sweet. We'll see you guys on the next video. ขอบคุณนะครับ โชคดีครับ Bye.